Oh. Hello.
Oh, there's one more behind you.
There's that one, hello.
Oh,
Hey, keep them, Beth. What? No, it's not for me. I've got one.
ah, there's one more, Bob. 4 of them.
They're all beautiful, Beth.
Oh, Bob, they're so cute. So friendly. Hmm.
Look at this one. This one's a really rare one, babe.
Yeah. Yeah, the color, look at that.
Huh? Look at that cat. That cat. That is beautiful. Hey? Beautiful.
So cute.
That's a little lion, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at you. Huh? This island is very beast. There's one behind you. Look at that one.
Ah, this one is a bigger one of the other one that you like, Bob. Look,
That's probably mum or dad. I don't know.
maybe it's the same color. Unique.
Another beautiful cat. Look at that.
Yeah.
Another designer cat. But it's like a designer. Hello. Look at the markings on it.
Oh, look at that, Bob. Oh,
Look at that. Look at the
she
markings.
doesn't want to be touched.
No, it's just.
So cute.
Purring, yes it does.
Is it? Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, Bob.
What's a bloody lion? Colour, look, it's not just
It's
ginger.
unique.
Ah, it's very unique. This island is something else with cats, right?
And it purrs loudly too.
Look at it. Look at that colouring. Stunning, isn't you?